Well, I can tell you this is the biggest issue and the biggest mistakes are ones that we're going to be capitalizing, at least we are, over the next couple years. If you haven't been through a recession, which the majority of people, especially in multifamily, have never been through, anybody made money since 2012. Everything was going up, 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 up until we hit, 21, 22. And then all of a sudden interest rates went up and, your standard deal that we would be sent would be, okay, we're going to buy a 5 cap. We're going to sell it for 4 cap. We're going to have 3.25 interest, interest only. And then when we refinance at 4.25, right? And that's not the case. And so you have negative leverage now. And, of course, you have some decreasing in vacancy in certain markets or certain areas, but they're upside down.